the grass is a herd of Attic antelope. They are severely endangered antelope, so included parts of the Sahara Desert. They're now currently a little patchy. That's because their brown fur is currently falling out because that is our winter coat, and they're gaining a white summer coat. As you come around this hill, if you look to your left, that is the African bell. It's also the reticulate giraffe, the ostrich. The giraffe is the world's smallest mammal, standing 16 to 18 feet tall and weighing up to 1,500 pounds. The ostrich, of course, is the world's largest bird. It can run at speeds of 45 miles an hour, but it cannot fly, according to the website. Contrary to belief, it does not carry a typical family. And also, left to the side of this bench is our teenage exhibit. The world's fastest mammal, reaching speeds of 75 miles an hour, getting up to speeds of 45 miles an hour in as little as 2 seconds. If you're wondering why they're out here in this exhibit, it's because they're intimidated about the larger cats, because they do not roar like larger cats. They purr and chirp like common cats. Also, our left expedition, Madagascar, is home to the world's largest collection of Malagasy animals outside Madagascar itself. We have the ever-popular lemurs, the fossas,
on the hill.
reptile amphibians, and the beautiful orchids.
That is
and out to our right is the Big Garden. This may tell you the same thing, but
that's the
Omaha Horticultural Society.
Built in Austria, up there.
Off to our left is the Venetian and free-flight Avery. It is the second largest of its kind in the world. It stands 75 feet tall at its highest point. The only one taller than it is currently located in Tokyo, Japan, which is only 1 foot taller. Ours is 4 acres in length and houses over 500 birds. The most popular, of course, is the pink flamingo. They're actually born in off-white color and used for a steady diet of shrimp. They become an off-pink color. Just on the other side of this enclosure is the upper Gorilla Valley. The cat complex, which is the largest of its kind in North America. Bears, sun bears, and of course the black bears. And before my next stop, I ask you to steer right and away from the station. And hang on, put your face seated down the way up to towards your passenger. Once again, please remain seated if you're staying on. And if you're getting off, please exit to the right and away from the train engine. Thank you and have a nice day in Omaha. Here we go to the middle. called peace chick. Together, the family of birds are called peace owl. Stop here for a brief moment to release some steam from out of the boiler. So let down all passengers to please remain seated. The train will be moving along again shortly. Keep all arms and legs on the train at all times. Also, there's no smoking on the train or in the zoo. If you look to your right now, it's the door of the Sky Fly platform is all white rhinos.
The Sky Fari.
White does not refer to the color, but it's a Dutch term meaning wide or squared lip. The white rhino is the second largest living land mammal in the world, weighing at about 3 tons. Despite its large size, it can run up to 35 miles an hour when charging. And the horn of the rhino is not made of bone or ivory, as some may think, but of a compressed hair-like substance called keratin. It is similar to human fingernails and toenails, so it does not grow from bone, but from the skin itself. Also helping in the zoo's educational and zoological purposes is the Deer IMAX Theater. I recommend stopping by and watch the 3D movie that plays every hour on the hour. Such 3D movies include Born to be Wild in Alaska. Alaska plays on the odd hours from 10 to 5, and Born to be Wild will play on the even hours from 10 to 5. And on our next ride is the Lagoon. The Lagoon is the summer home to the Jeffrey spider monkeys and squirrel monkeys. Since the monkeys are unable to swim, the water is a natural barrier, so we can observe them from the fence of the bars or netting. And in the water of the lagoon is koi fish, spelled K-O-I, sometimes meaning living flowers. Can also run up to $3,000 a